Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up SSH. First, open your terminal or command prompt. You'll use the SSH keygen command to create your unique SSH key pair. This process typically takes only a few seconds. The system will prompt you to choose a location to save the keys and to set a passphrase for added security. Remember, a strong passphrase protects your private key from unauthorized access. Once generated, you'll have two files: your private key, often named ID_RSA, and your public key, typically ID_RSA. Pub. Think of your private key as a secret key to your house and your public key as a lock you give to others to put on their doors. When you want to enter, your secret key opens their lock. Keep your private key safe and never share it. Now, let's get your public key onto the remote server. The easiest method is using the SSH copy ID command, followed by your username and the server's IP address or host name. This command automatically places your public key into the authorized keys file on the server. If SSH copy ID isn't available, you can manually copy the contents of your public key file and paste it into the // SSH/authorized keys file on the remote machine. With your public key on the server, connecting is straightforward. Simply type SSH followed by your username and the server's address. For example, SSH user at your server IP. If you set a passphrase, you'll be prompted to enter it. Once authenticated, you'll have a secure shell session, allowing you to execute commands and manage files on the remote server with confidence. This secure connection is a cornerstone of modern system administration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.